The sun is in the sky and clouds are rolling by, and today is gonna be one wonderful day. Hand in hand together, we'll be friends forever, sharing all the good times, happy and free. It's gonna be so easy going. We'll laugh our cares away on this easy going day. We're never in a hurry, got no time to worry. We'll take it nice and easy, singing a song. There's never any trouble, we're floating like a bubble. La 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 la, lighter than air. Why should we care? We're easy going. We'll laugh our cares away on this easy going day. For the Sesame movie, Follow That Bird, not only did I get my own character, Madam Chairbird, but I also got to fill in for Carol as Big Bird for certain scenes, like being mowed down by a biplane. If you know, you know.